Guys, we got another beast in here. 2022 Dodge Charger Hellcat Redeye. Beautifully wrapped in sunfire yellow with stripes. Really sexy car. It's only got 10,000 miles on it. Still practically brand new. So anyways, got factory converter there, factory X pipe 3-inch. Then we did a mid delete right there, 3-inch. Left the valves in for now. He might come back and take those off if he wants it louder. I doubt it, but it'll be pretty loud. Then we did a rear delete there and put our signature 5-inch black tips to complete the look, make it look sexy as hell. You guys can see, came out absolutely beautiful. I love that wrap on. I like that color scheme. There's the mids that were on it. There's the rears. We cut all that off and cleaned it up for him, replaced it all. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, make sure you like, comment, and hit that subscribe. Dodge Charger Hellcat wide body, sexy. Much better. What do you think? Thumbs up? Yes? That's fire, man. Like he said, it just hit puberty, so there you go. Here's sound decibels. You hit 120, bro. Again? 122. It's in your chest, man. I love it. Very nice. And hit him up on his Instagram, guys. It's a whole group of guys, so there's their Instagram. Make sure you guys hit them up. Tell them Exhausted Addict sent you guys. I like it. Can't beat that sound, man. 6.2 of power. I like that color. That's sexy. I'll let you guys hear on the inside. Dodge Charger Hellcat 6.2 supercharged wide body, custom wrap, custom everything. Car's sexy. Love the idle on